so delicious, guys. Wow. Hello guys, welcome back to Pinoy Planet. Today I'm going to cook a very nice meal and it's called beef salpicao. Okay, so let's start with the beef salpicao. I have a nice ribeye steak and also lots of garlic. I learned that we need to use lots of garlic in this dish. And first I'm gonna start by marinating the beef. Okay, so I have a beautiful steak here, ribeye steak. I'm just gonna slice it in cubes. So there we go. Nice cubes. Okay, so next I will put the beef cubes in a bowl. I'm gonna add some white pepper, some salt and some garlic. Lots of garlic. Okay, so let's add some sea salt, white pepper. Okay, so I'm chopping some garlic, and I need it for the beef salpicao, but also for the sinanak that I will be making. Okay, I will also add a little bit of olive oil. Okay guys, so here it is, the marinated beef. Let's fry it a little bit on medium to high heat. Okay, so I will add a little bit of extra olive oil. Now let's add the beef. So we're gonna add a little bit of soy sauce and also Worcestershire sauce. Okay. Hey guys, it's time to take the beef out.
Pogi, Pogi. You like beef salpicao, Pogi? Gusto mo beef salpicao? Hindi.
Okay guys, it's time to make the sinanak, the garlic rice. So I chopped up the rest of the garlic. Let's put it in. So I took most of the sauce out from the pan. So it's just a little bit of olive oil and garlic. Let's fry it up a little bit. Okay, and then let's add the rice. Some cooked rice here. Okay guys, the sinanak is almost ready. So it's almost time for plating. I'm gonna chop up this one. I washed this earlier. How do you call this in Tagalog? Okay guys, let's take some sinanak on the plate first. Fried garlic rice.
Ang bango, Pogi. Ang bango.
So let's some of the beef salpicao. A little bit of the sauce. And top with spring onions. Okay guys, it's time to taste the beef salpicao. Very curious? Really good. Very nice guys, masarap. And looking forward to seeing you next time guys with more Filipino food.